So you guys, Abby has been wanting her face dermaplaned. So we're going to do dermaplaning 3 ways today. And we're going to start by gloving up and cleaning off her face. She has washed her face thoroughly. And we're just going to go ahead and alcohol swab it. Now, contrary to what people are doing on TikTok, you do not put oil on your face before dermaplaning. You want it to be dry and you want it to be cleaned with alcohol. It'll make the skin feel dry, but when we're all done, she can put her face oils and moisturizer on. I'm not going to dermaplane her nose because she has a little bit of flaking on her nose. We'll see, maybe we'll go over it a little bit with a razor. So she's never had dermaplaning done before, so she will probably get some good exfoliation, some good hair removal. This is such a nice thing to do to your skin for exfoliation, removing facial hair, and making your skincare penetrate better as well as your makeup look nicer. After this, we're also going to do a little lash lift. Abby's super excited about this because she curls her lashes every day. So we're going to give that a try on her for the first time. So if you're new to dermaplaning, you can always start with a regular face razor. Now, it does not make your facial hairs grow back thicker or faster. That is an absolute myth. And this is a really nice way to introduce yourself to dermaplaning. It won't give you the exfoliation that you get from using a scalpel, but it does give you some exfoliation in a really smooth surface for your skincare products to penetrate. So I'm going to start out just by doing a little bit of this on Abby under her jawline, and we're going to just move up the side of her face. You want to make sure you hold the hairs back so that you're not getting into the hairs or the eyebrows. Being mindful not to cut off the hair. So that's one way to do it, and a very good place to start if you're new to dermaplaning. I like to use that specific razor. It's a men's Gillette, and I only use it for the face. So I clean it off with alcohol each time, put the cap on it, and store it away in a drawer. The second option, this is a Japanese dermaplaning tool. It's very small and easy to handle. And I'm going to go over to this side just to show you, making the skin taut and just doing some upward strokes, little baby upward strokes. And I can see the hair coming off Abby really well. Let me see if I can show you. That is the fuzz that is coming off of her face. So satisfying. So this is easy to handle. It's not as intimidating, but I actually like a scalpel best. A Swan Morton scalpel. This is a rounded edge scalpel, and they come individually packed. I only use these one time and then dispose of them in a sharps container. That's what it looks like. And tip a little bit this way. And little upward strokes, and I can see all the hair coming off and the dead skin. It is so satisfying. You're gonna be so happy, Abby. Can you see that? And this is just as easy to do on yourself. I have a couple dermaplaning videos that I do on my own skin, or you and a girlfriend can do it on each other. If you trust that friend. Do you trust me, Abby? Oh my gosh, you're gonna be so happy with this. I can't believe how much peach fuzz you have in your face. I've never really noticed that.
I told you.
Here is the fuzz coming off of Abby's face. So impressive, right? Chin up for me. It's gonna feel like baby skin. Turn this way. Make a tight lip, upper lip. Really big open mouth. Open mouth, ah. It's amazing how much peach fuzz you have.
Told you. I do never have that much.
Well, I do dermaplaning so often it never gets very long. I try to do it like once every couple weeks. Being careful of the eyebrows here. So Abby ran upstairs to rinse her face off quick. How does your skin feel?
Really soft.
Super soft, isn't it, when you get the peach fuzz off? So I'm going to really nourish her face because her face is super dry. She's out in the wind and cold and snow every day as a ski racer. So before I put the nourishing cream on, we're going to start with the Dermalogica Dark Power Bright Dark Spot Serum. And just a pump of that is fine. I'm going to treat around her eyes because they have been dry with the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Abby really loves this stuff and I find her sneaking into my bathroom all the time to steal it. Then we're gonna use the Josie Marin. This is the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. Super nourishing. I'm gonna give you a whole bunch here because your skin will really absorb this. Does my face massage feel good? We're gonna let that absorb for just a minute. And while that Josie Maran Argan Butter is absorbing, I'm gonna put a little bit of the CeraVe Healing Ointment on Abby's lips. Okay, Abs, go ahead and rub that in. I'm gonna take off my gloves and wash my hands real quick, and I'm gonna finish up with my bare hands. Now I'm gonna use the Avene Cyclophyte. This is not always a necessary step, but this is really good on Abby's skin because of how dry it is. It helps to lock in that Josie Maran Argan Butter moisturizer. It's best if you let your moisturizer kind of absorb into the skin for a few minutes before you use the Cyclophyte. Abby does have a nighttime acne routine, and she'll do that tonight before bed. But this is just to restore some of the hydration so her skin feels super soft and hydrated. All right, you guys, if you liked learning how to do dermaplaning 3 ways, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And Abby and I are going to be doing a lash perm next. That video will be tomorrow. If you haven't already subscribed to Gorgeously Aging and Gorgeously Aging Advanced, I would love to have you join me on this aging journey. Thank you so much for being here with us today, you guys. You know what I always say, be good to yourselves and to others. I love and appreciate you all. See you next time.